Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, are you facing this type problem in your Instagram account? When you want to access your Instagram account not being access. It show this type message, page isn't available right now. So if you are facing such problem, then watch my full video. In this video I will show you a easy step to fix such problem. So let's get started. Simply open any browser and search by Instagram older version. Now enter the following website. Here you will see lots of Instagram older version APK. From the APK list download any one older version APK. After downloading, minimize the browser, and go to your current Instagram app. And simply uninstall it. After uninstalling again go back the browser. And then install your downloaded older version APK. Once the installation is complete, log into your account. Hopefully the problem will be resolved. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel to get my update video. Thank you for watching.